We're back with the most chill, slow life, wholesome isekai. Is this wholesome? I think it can be. This anime, when I watched season 1, was the first time that I realized that an isekai anime does not need to be all edgy and epic about defeat the demon lord, get a elf slave harem, you know? No. Sometimes we can just have no goal. We can just vibe and chill out and enjoy the world for what it is. And this season 1 was so good. Studio Mappa killed it. Voice acting was amazing. Soundtrack, everything. Loved it. I don't remember much other than he has a slime companion. We got Fenrir. There was a party that was he banished from, or did he just leave? But there was a separate party, remember, right? Before he started doing this campfire cooking and underworld stuff. There's the goddesses that love his treats. His power is basically Amazon Prime. And we saved our local town from an attack from, I think, wyverns. Maybe it was like a different flying beast, but I think that's what I remember. And we ended the season with giving Fenrir a bath. That's right. Fenrir was stinky, and we decided to give him the bath. Let's see what happens today. Oh, a spider. Multiple spider gang. What the hell is this intro? This is so hype! We eating spiders today? Man, that soundtrack with like the lightning effects, the overall direction of this intro sequence is actually kind of cracked. That's right, Sui. Sui is so cute, but I remember him being a bit terrifying because his powers are that of basically like Megiddo. If you've seen Slime, you know what I'm talking about. Like the way that Sui just cuts through shit with like butter with his water attacks. It's like, what the hell? You're the grouchy unk. Sui is our sweet wholesome kid. Alright. Spiders. Pan-fried gyoza. Dumplings. Wrapped meat. See, voice acting so cute. Bro can just buy Japanese black Wagyu beefsteak from this shop too? That's crazy. He knows. Alright, we're gonna learn how to make gyoza today. Orc meat, let's go! Season that meat! Be patient! Yes! Pan-fried gyoza is so good! Dude, he's drooling! Let's go, Sui! How's he doing it? Bro don't got fingers! Can't fold! That's so cute. If you've ever tried making gyozas, this is what's gonna look like for the first time, man. The wrap is gonna start breaking and it's not all gonna make, you know, it all fit in. Oh no. Okay. You can see the ones that Sui fucked up on the top, bro. Don't worry, we still gotta eat them though. We can still eat them. Yeah. If you're gonna pan fry it, it's fine, right? It's not that big a deal that it's not all wrapped. But if you're like boiling, you know, the gyoza, because like there's a lot of different ways you can eat it, right? I like them pan fried is great, boiled is great, they're all great, but if you boil it, then it's harder because it's obviously not sealed in and all the contents will come out of the, you know, and it'll just get mixed up in the rest of the water. What? That's a technique I don't know about. Flour dissolved in water and covered with pan. What's this doing? I'm gonna assume it's all about retaining moisture, making it juicier. Flour. Okay. Okay. Man, there's a place that I've been going with my girlfriend recently, and it's like a very small, I think they're Taiwanese. It could be Hong Kong, Shanghai, I don't know, but they specialize in dumplings, bao, gyoza. And there's a lot of different places around that sells, you know, dumplings and gyoza and all that stuff, but they're all like franchises and it feels soulless. And you eat it, it tastes all right, but it's not the same. This small family-owned business near me, oh my fucking God. The juice, I eat it and it's just like a Boston cream donut. It's like coming in my mouth. The liquids, the juiciness of the pork fried gyoza. Oh my God. I've been spending so much money there. But like, man, I appreciate like small family owned businesses that actually care about their product and goes, you know, the extra length to make sure the food is good compared to like corporate stores, franchise stores, right? Where they're just, it's all manufactured and automated and it's just like, just doesn't taste the same. Where's the soy sauce? Yeah, chili oil. All right, it's juicy. Okay. I love how the gyoza just dissolves in sweet though. Yo, guys, the soy sauce! The dragon! Yo, for the trailer, right? The red dragon thing, it's watching, it wants some! Okay. Umai! Oh, hello! Hey, we got a new pet. Is that a dragon? It's a dragon, right? My new friend is absurd. It's a pixie. Where'd you come from? Where's your parents? It's too big. Bro can't even get to the meat. Very cute. This thing is gonna be like a legendary mythical beast that's on another level, right? Just like how Fenrir, right? Like Fenrir being in our party is crazy. To the normies in this world, they're like, oh my God, what is this mythical beast doing here? So now we've domesticated two mythical beasts and a crazy slime. It can't talk though. Okay. Okay. They're fast magics. Holy, it ate it all. How did the gyoza even fit in you, bro? You're like the size of one gyoza. Packed. Contract made? Contract made? It talks. No, I heard it too. That was fast. Bro, there was no even consent. He didn't even say yes. He just fucking lats his cock on his face twice and he's like, all right, I'm your familiar now. Thank you, Hidden Llama, for the prime. Appreciate you. Wait, what? Again. Okay. Oh, again, as in like, oh no, like Fenrir, you know, it's basically another familiar like that. It's like another mythical beast that wants to eat our food. I thought he was kind of saying that he just hops from one dude to another. Sweet busted. Sweet is. It's scary.
いつの間にお前貴重なピクシーもっとよく考
Yes.
えた方がいい。
ちゃんと考えたって。
That's how Fenrir fell for it.
一番うまい飯だったぜことだろ。
True. He's right.
分かっておるようだな。10万契約を結
This guy just cuts to the chase, huh? No bullshit immediately. Yeah, I'm just here for the food. Let's go.
10万契約を結んでたかが数十年人間に仕えたところで損はない。
単位が増えるだけだもんな。
Okay. So it's not even like a mini baby dragon. It's a pixie dragon, that's why it's small. And it's actually pretty old.
だよな、フェンリル。長命種にとっちゃ楽しみが増えるだけだもんな。
この世界には食いしん坊キャラしかいないのか。
というわけで、主人の最初
Drago.
いきなり名前って言われても
Drag. Gone.
ドラちゃんかな。
What? Minus aura. Bro just realized, oh no, no one's gonna take me seriously no more. Dora? Dora the Explorer?
もっと俺にふさわしいな。
Dora-chan. Alright, low, bro.
扱いすんな。
本当に
Yeah, Dora-chan, bro. Age 116. Okay, Unk. Oh my god. A lot of different magic. Got healing magic. Bombardment magic is kind of crazy, though.
本当に認定されちゃってるわ。
It's already set. It's too late.
見えないな。ドラゴンのドラなんだからかっこいいだろうが。
Makes sense.
何が不満なんだよ。
Should've just called him Gone.
親父だの頃だの。なぜかムカッとする名前を付けられそうになったのだからな。
You can tell that those are domesticated little poodle, you know, little doodle dogs, you know. little tiny ass dog names. He doesn't even know, but he can already
ムカ
tell.
ッとする名前を付けられそうになったのだからな。
そりゃ確かになんかバカにされてるよ。お前は満足そうだな。
Sweet is so cute.
おお。
だけど仲良くやってくれそうかな。
Another mouth to feed. Great.
わは
City of Spinning. Krell.
10万の登録を済ませておきましたが来るなんて。
いやーどうも。
それで
Of course.
なんで俺に。
Because you're too competent, bro.
わしはここのギルドマスター。
Oh shit!
ロドルフォっちゅうもんじゃ。
A dwarf's a guildmaster? This is the first time! Usually guildmaster are all just humans with like a scar on their eye, right? But okay, we got a dwarf guildmaster for the first
こ
time.
このギルドマスター。ロドルフォっちゅうもんじゃ。よろしくな。遅っちゃったが、実際に目にする機会があろうとは。あやつが知ったらさ。ああ、そうじゃ。早速じゃが仕事の話をしたいんじゃ。
He might be the elf guy in the opening. Because dwarves and elves, they're always like bickering rivals, but secretly gay best friends. I'm gonna assume that it's the elf that he's talking about.
この間からどうも森の様子がおかしい。
Classic. The monsters are in heat? No. Dungeon break? What's going on?
しくしていれば別に。
出す糸
The
は
webbing.
町特産の最高
Spiders.
級織物の原材料となる。それが手がりなんじゃ。
Is that our fault in the intro? Killing the spiders?
と町の商売上がったりなんじゃ。
Huh.
なんとか頼めんか。
Okay.
北の森だろ。全然楽勝だったぜ。
Yeah?
あそこのやつら来る割に弱っちいな。
雲弱っちい。
煙くじゃらで殻が硬い。
まあ俺の髪の
The ones in the intro!
あの
We already got rid of them!
まさか難しいと。
Now open up the inventory. Pull out the spider carcasses.
まさか難しいとか。
Yeah!
タランチュラ。
Yeah, we already
そ
did
れ
it!
かなぜ向こうだが。
に切り立っておったから成敗してやったまで。
すいません。
とんでもない。もともとそいつは繁殖力が強て。
Yeah, well, we're kind of cracked. We have a mythical beast, lightning
依
attacks.
頼初めてじゃ。
One of the best feelings in playing a video game when you have received a quest and it says gather this many materials, but you already have those materials and you auto-complete the quest. Oh my god, that feels good.
殻もいい値がつくし、肉は塩茹でがうまいぞ。なんだと。
うまいんなら食ってみたいな。
Alright. Need some spiders? Alright. We can't say no to Sui. If it's Fenrir or Dora, then it's just like, I don't really wanna. But if Sui says it, okay, Sui.
ついも食べてみ
How can we say no? Bro, we're eating orc meat. Who cares?
お腹の糸と殻はお譲りしますんで。
貸せておけ。特別にすぐ食えるようにしといてやる。
ああ、華やかだな。
いろんな色いっぱいで綺麗だね。
Okay.
まだ行ってないなら市場を見てくるといい。上等な服が安く。
あれが欲しかったんだよな。お、手触り。
Wardrobe change?
安いのか。
Are we getting scammed?
いらっしゃいませ。よその町ではこの値段では
というわけか。よし、せっかくこの町の市場に来たんだ。フェルは
You don't
自前
even
の
wear
手があ
clothes,
るかも
bro.
しれないけど、こっちはいろいろ必要なんだよ。
You have to realize, bro's just yelling at this big ass dog. But this guy doesn't even know what he's saying because only familiars, right? They can hear the mind telepathically. They can't hear him, right? They just talked about how, hold up, the telepathic, the mechanics. He can't hear her, right? How does this work, actually? There's a scene here where he's like talking. And like, the narrator's like, you know, he can't hear him. You know what I mean? So does that mean like, no, but Fenrir does talk. No, we can talk telepathically. But the mythical beast Fenrir can actually talk on top of that too, right? It's funnier in my mind that like they think that he's schizo and just talking to this animal though.
買うぞ。
服など何でもよかろう。
フェルはそうなんだよ。いやー、
He loves green. Oh,
こいつの肉は殻から外すと味が。
looks like seafood boiled to me. Right? Spider? Yeah, but look at the meat. Shit looks like a lobster. Looks like crab.
こいつの肉は殻から外すと味が落ちるんでそのままにしといてやったぞ。あと
This
カニそっくりだ。
land
で
crabs.
たてだからうまいぞ。
ありがとうございます。
Umai.
すごいカニっていうかカニ入れたみたいな味がする。
合わせろ。
俺も。
立派だ。
Yeah.
うわ
Connie
ほぐしてみよう
paw.
コロッケも作りたかったけど
Spring
時間がなか
rolls.
ったから春巻きにしてみた。
Damn, you made a feast.
一応
そうだったのか。
ただカニじゃなくてタランチュラを食べるよりようこそドラちゃんってことでいただきまーす。
Dora-chan's welcome party.
トマトやら濃厚なベノムタランチュラの旨味と甘みが最高だ。煮汁との相性も抜群ではないか。
I'm just impressed every time at their depth of commentary when eating. They could straight up be mukbang content creators, man. Recently, I've been thinking, like, damn, I kind of wish I did mukbang content. Because, like, just like when I first watched anime reactions and realized, like, damn, you can make money watching just anime online. The mukbang stuff, too, I look at it and I'm like, damn, you can just make money just eating food? Blows my mind. And, like, the commentary, you know, that Sui and, you know, Fel, you know, offers when eating, it's like, it's quite descriptive.
このカニトマト
Fun fact though, apparently, no talking mukbang is actually really popular. There's like different metas. You know how like my meta for reaction is like pausing, dissecting it, you know? Reading, like basically critically thinking about this and breaking it down and feeding it to you. And then there's other reactors who are more emotional based, active, hype, yelling, screaming, stuff like that. Just like how there's different ways of doing reaction content. Mukbang too, there's like no talking ASMR. Dude says nothing, just crunch, 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 and some other people are just yapping. They have like different markets and different audiences. It's pretty interesting.
このカニトマトやら最高だ。卵のまろやかさと甘じょっぱいとろみ汁との相性も抜群。
これさっぱりしてて好き。
マ
Yeah?
ヨネーズをレモン汁で緩めて
Dora, what's going on?
春巻き。
Dude, it's bigger than his body. Look at him, he's so cute.
でな。
That's a 116-year-old man. Their plates are their tables are just boxes from Amazon Prime.
さてと俺は
Uh,
カニといえば
okay.
おー焼きガニ。本当はカニじゃないけどこれはもうほ
Look at the bubbling animation, man. Food Sakuga.
匂い。食べたい。お祝いだろ、俺の。
just had a shitload of spring rolls. Mukara didn't get to eat anything just yet. Leave him alone.
お祝いだろ
These gluttonous motherfuckers. Bro ain't gonna be eating anything.
噛むほど味がしてこんなうまいもん食えるなんてなやっぱ追いかけてきてよかったぜ
追っかけ
What do you mean by that?
そうそうカレールナの町の近くでさ
Bro chased us from season
声をかけ
1?
ようとしてたら見失っちまうし探し回
There might have been a scene, maybe in season 1, where he was kind of like hinted, foreshadowed. I don't remember. That was like years ago.
かけようとしてたら見失っちまうし探し回ってたら森の魔物どもが騒ぎ出すし
乱入してきたピクシードラゴンの気配に恐れおののいて奴らなりに
そんな必死なベノムタランチュラをフェルがやっつけたと
Oh.
そういうことになるな
And now we eat it as a celebration for Dora joining us. This is fucked up. There's like an extra layer of fucked upness of how this is a celebration for Dora when they were just trying to survive. I mean, listen, the dwarf guy, the guild leader said there's a problem, you know? We need you to like take care of the spider. Oh, you already took care of the spiders. Great. So that's not that big of a deal.
そういうことになるな
美味しくいただいて
Yeah,
やってく
pay
れ
respect to them by eating it deliciously. They scammed the guild? Shit, you know what? You're kind of right about that too. Because like, they were simply moving around, not because the beasts are in heat, but because of Dora. No, it did not work out in the end. This is actually more fucked up now that I really think about it. Like the guild requesting only happened because like we caused the fucking problem. Wait, in season 1, didn't the same thing happen too? I feel like in season 1, like the wyverns or like some monsters attacking, like we basically caused a problem and then sell the solution kind of deal anyways. The bath!
見渡してもらえてよかったな
Yeah.
入ったらカニの匂いも取れたな
楽しい
なあ
もう食えねえ
当分
Look at that
ベノ
belly
ムタランチュラはいらん
カニ今日は忙しかったな明日これをロドルフォさんに渡していや
Forgot something. The goddess! The tribute to the goddess!
あれはどう
They need the food offerings.
約束してたからです
おお助かる
あと食べきれなかった分もあるんでよかったら
いやこれはありがたいこいつを探
たですそれじゃあもう少し
A little more.
これはなそうな大物だからずっと入れっぱなしだった
They
けど
were shocked by it,
い
right?
い加減どうにかしたい
Like straight up the guild, I don't think even had the money. They're like, yo, we do not even have the manpower to like get the materials. We don't even have the money to pay you this shit. This is too
だけ
sus.
どいい加減どうにかしたい
There's something ridiculous about this dragon's face just peeking out the portal. What's the dwarf thinking? He's like, what's in there, my boy? Yeah, about the
ご存知ないですか
心当たりがな
ツア
これはアスドラゴンではないか
yeah,
ーこいつを解体し
いや実物を見るのは初め
a
て
kingdom. God damn, a
我々の
kingdom!
相手ではなく
Yeah, Fenrir just
ド
flexing,
ラゴ
but
ンとなるとやはりあやつ
is it the blonde elf guy?
ジョンと
I'm kind of worried. He took a look at Dora. Maybe Dora's in danger.
ほれ
ダンジョン都市ドラン
Elland.
冒険
That's an elf name. That is an elf name if I've ever heard one.
腕と血
ありがとうございます
Eccentric guy. He's gonna be wacky.
とりあえずドランに出発だ
Alright. Let's check out the chibi ending. Remember? I think Campfire Cooking had like fun little, you know, basically like ReZero Petite and stuff like that, right? So let's check this out. Another World Theater. Second serving. Hello. What?
そろそろ週に一度のお供えどころじゃという
Bruh. The baby tantrum. She doing the worm. The other gods. Nail gods. They're gonna get in on it too. And that's another episode of Campfire Cooking in Another World. This was a nice episode to get us situated back into this world of gourmet. It's kind of fucked up though if you think about what really happened, because these spiders, they were wilding out. Why? Because of Dora. And why was Dora wilding out? Because he smelled food potential to just latch himself onto this party. So technically we caused the problem and provided the solution. It's all in good faith though, right? It's not our fault. Dora is cute, but it's like an old man. He's a pixie dragon, good with a lot of different magic. Haven't seen him fight just yet, but if anything, I think Fenrir is hyping him up, so I think we should expect something great from Dora as well. I want to see cool fight scenes in the future. This little town that we pulled up for, it was a quick visit. Didn't really get to do much other than just, you know, exchange some crab meat, get some new drip, which we haven't seen just yet, and then get information on where to, I guess, like, sell our Earth Dragon mats. We're going to a new place. I think an elf dude is gonna be around, and that should be pretty fun to see how eccentric he's gonna be. Overall, a nice chill episode to get us back into this world. That's it from me. If you're still here though, if you enjoyed this reaction, please like the video, check out the other playlist for more content, and until next time, take care.